In this video, we'll show you how to access BIOS settings if your system boots up too fast in Windows. For demonstration, I'll restart the computer and attempt to access the BIOS. As you can see, I can't access the BIOS because Pop! OS boots too quickly. In modern UEFI systems, the BIOS loads so fast that it's difficult to catch. In legacy systems, you'll often see a splash screen for several seconds, like this. You can hold down the relevant key from this list to access the BIOS. If you're lucky and time it right, you can enter the UEFI BIOS. Alternatively, you can boot directly into the BIOS from Windows without spamming any keys, regardless of your PC or laptop manufacturer. The first method is to hold down the Shift key while restarting the computer. Release the key when you see the recovery screen. From here, navigate to Troubleshoot, Advanced Options, UEFI Firmware Settings. Then select Restart. As you can see, we can now access the BIOS. The second method is to boot into the recovery environment through Advanced Startup in Windows Settings. You can also achieve this using the command line from the Run box, Command Prompt, PowerShell, or Terminal. That's it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you in next videos.